Hey y'all, come on in. Today I was going to talk to you about how to store vegetables and hopefully not lose your produce. When I first started eating this way 20 years ago or so, I lost a lot of produce just because I put it in the fridge and I didn't know which thing to use first. Over time, I learned what things we use first and what things stay the longest in the fridge. For instance, all your root vegetables, carrots, potatoes, onions, that's what I have here, they're gonna last the longest. Right now we're in the middle of summer, so I don't have a lot of lettuces, arugulas. Those are gonna go really fast. So when I'd come home from the farmer's market, I started using the things that I know would go bad first at the beginning of the week, and then cook with the things that would go bad later towards the end of the week. There are different ways to store. I know plastic has got all this attention. To me, it's the best way to store your vegetables without them going bad. I reuse my bags if I can. Sometimes they're grody and I can't reuse them. But overall, they last the longest. They keep your food the freshest. A long time ago, I bought these mesh kind of bags. I still use them because I don't want to get rid of them, but I'll generally transfer whatever I've put in that bag at the market into a plastic bag because these bell peppers will go bad if I keep them in this mesh bag. Last week, I bought these bell peppers, and when I went to just pull them out of the fridge right now, I realized they've already started to shrivel up and I should have used them earlier. The biggest takeaway from this video is that don't get discouraged if you do have to throw things away. You're still learning. It's a journey. It takes time to grow with knowing how to use this food. And it's just a learning process. So once you see, oh, I had that in the fridge, I bought that on Saturday, and today's Thursday and it's already bad. Okay, well, you know you're gonna have to use that at the beginning of the week. I hope that was helpful. I hope you get encouraged to try something new, even if it's just one thing. Even just one thing. Go to the store and buy one thing new that you've never tried to cook with before. Have a wonderful week.